you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're joining us for the second time, third time, fourth time, welcome back to family. This is Samuelison Mudao and I am from Housing Solutions. We are here to speak about anything related to property management, property investing, house care, house maintenance, and everything that needs real estate. So today I'm here to speak about your dream team. Ever wondered who could be in your dream team when you are doing property investment? If you are like me, who loves buying the ugliest house in town and making sure that you bring that ugly duckling into life, then please stay on, because I am going to be sharing with you who it is that needs to be in that dream team to ensure that you're successful. The first person that you need in your team is an estate agent, right? We might love them, we might hate them, we may sometimes think they are so greedy, they want to just take money out of us. But let me tell you something, your heart will lead you to the right estate agent. And that person, if you are committed to them, and each time you have a deal that you want to close and you are still using that same agent, they will look out for you. I'm not saying that you should always use the same person all the time, but what I'm saying is have those people that you draw them closer to you. Have those agents that you think of when you have those deals that you really want to close, and it's like opportunity meeting the right time, and you invest in those agents. They'll always have your back covered all the time, I'm telling you guys. Then you will be very successful in your property journey. The second person that I can think of right now, or the organization that you need for your property journey, will be your bank. If you have a relationship with your bank, guys, I always say to you, in this journey, it is always advisable to also have that bank that you have been with for many years. I'm not saying you're going to use that same bank, but if you are going to be investing and you have a bank that has got your back, you always first try at home. You start trying where home is closer, and then you can spread your wings and go into other banks. For example, my bank, I have my home loan with the bank, my car finance is with the same bank, I have my salary goes into that same bank, and then for other things I also have another bank, so that I'm not only developing only one relationship with one bank, but I'm also building another relationship with a bank. So for you to be able to prosper and make it into this journey of property investing, you need the right bank, and you need to stay committed to your bank, and then you get your ching. And then the third person that you need in your dream team is your property attorney. I cannot stress this enough, guys. The property attorney is the person that knows the ins and out of your terms of your contract, the kind of the space that you're buying into, the zoning of the area. Is this space wanted in for student accommodation? Is this space wanted in for multi-lets, and so on? So if you are going to buy property in J and then you just say, I am buying and then I'm thinking to put students in this property, you first need to pause and ask yourself, is this area actually zoned in for students? Can students actually live in this residential area? Because you might be putting students and then your neighbors will go and complain that you do this project for less than 20,000. And then when you look at the actual project, you are kind of projecting 50,000 and more. And then you have to weigh your options, because sometimes builders who come in and they're not certified. I'm not saying you must not use people that you know are reputable, but with building, make sure it's somebody that is certified, because you do not want anything happening to your investment. This is money that you've put into, this is time that you have invested in, so it is very important that you are actually doing the right thing into your investment. You do not want your money to just go down the drain. You want to ensure that your investment is going to bring for you your return investments out, right? So it was lovely speaking to you guys. I will meet you next week on Wednesday. The property queen is out of here. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next week, and goodbye.